Woke up late, charts on fire, red and green like a funeral pyre. Discord screaming LFG, but my portfolio's haunting me. Spiked my coffee with regret. Last night I longed to break out bet. Now I'm broke, not broken yet. Just one more pump I won't forget. Buy high, die huddling. The gen brain dopamine's controlling. Ride the whale or get wrecked clean. This crypto dream's a guillotine. Fake guru with 1,000 subs showed me coins in shitty clubs. Promised moons, Lambos and jets. Now I'm left with JPEGs and debts. Scalped my soul in a 5-minute chart. Market dumped and it ripped my heart. But I'll reload, I'll play to win. Even if I lose it all again. Buy high, die huddling. Gas fees burn, but I keep rolling. Almost gone, greed's the king. This crypto dream's a punk rock thing. With the crack in the glass, risk it all, no brakes, full gas. Liquidation, call me sweet. Whisper welcome to defeat. No stop loss, no regrets. Code and chaos, no safety nets. Satoshi's ghost in my DMs told me to ape again and again. Buy high, die huddling. Gas fees burn, but I keep rolling. If I crash, at least I tried. In this wild west of blockchain rights. I'll be trading till the lights go out. Shots are noise, but I live for the sound. One candle spike, and I'm back in town. Crypto's a fight, and I'm 10 toes down.
What's up, guys? How's it going? Let me just check the audio really quick. Properties. All right, cool. We're connected. We're good. How's your weekend, guys? Did you party hardy? I basically just got all of my Halloween decorations put away. The saddest moment of the entire year. I still have the troll behind me, though. He'll be with me until the end of the day. But yeah, starting to pull out the Christmas stuff. It's too soon, but the kids love it. So yeah, I got some of the trees out for the front room. We have like this big front room, and as soon as you walk in the house, and it's just like what we use for our holidays, like how we decorate the first room you jump into, and then the rest of it's kind of like a normal house. Where did the mustache go? Dutchy, I accidentally, it sounds like a joke, but it's true. I kind of like fell into my razor. So I had to make a decision to make the rest of my face, the hair, shorter. It'll come back, but I grow facial hair like a toddler, so expect it to take like a week or two. Yeah, it happened on Friday, if that makes you get a gauge of how long it takes for my hair to grow. Noah, good morning, man. Sterling, how you doing, Sterling? We got Coma in the house. Rames, Gear, Dutchy, Lulchi, Alexo Crypto in the house. How you doing? I've seen more hair on a piece of bacon. Oh boy, or the head of Donald Trump. Okay, let's dive into the charts. So on Friday, we were talking about this long that we entered here. I posted as a signal as well for the community. We got pretty simple setup. I like to keep people informed as we go, like what I'm thinking and why I'm thinking it. But yeah, pretty simple trade. Took the break of A little bit of a front run to the more macro downtrend momentum inside this range. We had the bullish change of character occur at the value area low. And at the time, I believe the 15-minute orb was around here as well. So we had the confluence of breaking past that orb and getting past the VWAP and getting the bullish change of character at a value area low, warning us that we're likely going to rotate to the opposite side of the value area. We were targeting a little bit higher at 104.5 was our main target. And we're going to see if there's a potential for an extension of that target to 107.350. And so far, we almost got there. If you held the trade, we used a golden pocket. And at the time, it was also, the POC was roughly around here too. And we had the previous macro value area high here. So we had lots of confidence for a bounce here. But the volume was super low. And when we got to the value area high and I had that opposing bearish change of character, I just closed the trade during that moment. But if you held through it, like, congrats. There wasn't an opportunity to jump in again, like right here, using their stop loss here and then targeting the liquidity above these highs. But so far, right now, as we speak, what's going on is we're using this neckline that we were mentioned before for this larger kind of double bottom posture. We're using it right now as potentially a support in confluence with this local demand zone that we've got right here. So there's an opportunity right now for us to prepare for it to rotate up to the top of these highs and potentially continue up to this supply barrier that has the confluence of the 200-day EMA right here. So if we do get that higher high, I think that we're likely going to hit our head here and range for a bit. If we don't, then just target the high as if that's your primary exit plan, but hope for the break for the continuation. So manage your risk to this as your primary barrier. If we look at the 5-minute, see if there's any posture. We have a double bottom posture, which is like bullish. It's not confirmed yet, unfortunately, but if we come up here, either retest due to hitting our head off the VWAP and getting a pullback and then break a structure, you could try to aim for those highs. More preferably, if you're already in on this SFP that just occurred right here, you'd be targeting this high in hopes that we get the continuation up. The continuation signal would come from a full body close above this wick for that bullish change of character. As we did flip bearish during this moment right here. We flip bullish again, pretty much at the same location if we break that high on the 5-minute. But yeah, we lost momentum testing these highs in hopes that we go range bound, create a good reset for continuations.